Welcome to Blackguard Reserve. It's been a great week. It's going to be a wonderful weekend. We've acquired some new comics along the way. All-Star, Super Squad, first appearance of Power Girl, a 9.2 that's signed, and a 9.0, just a super comic to have, wonderful for the collection. We also have Moon Knight, so if you're looking for a certain issue, we might have it. They're going quick. The show is about to launch soon and people are anticipating it. We also picked up a wonderful run of Captain America. Condition is unbelievable. I'm close to near mint on a few of them. All this and more can be found at Blackguard Reserve. We're here in Marine City, right in the Mariner. Come check us out, and we'll see you next time.